Follow these steps to get Spotify Premium for free on Android or iOS. Let's get started. Launch a Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Premium tab. Once you're over here, you're going to find different premium plans: individual, student, duo, family. For the individual and the student, you're going to get a 1 month free trial period. Just go ahead and click on the plan that you want to upgrade to, then provide your payment details. With that, your Spotify account will be upgraded to the premium version. It's gonna be free for 1 month. After 1 month of trial period, you'll need to pay for the premium version. But before trial period ends, you can cancel your subscription. Once you have completed the individual subscription, you can go for student one and use Spotify Premium for free for 1 month again. This way you can get Spotify Premium for free on Android or iOS. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.